So we're producing around 50,000 aligners per month. Now, what's tricky with this is that every single unit in this 50,000 is different from one another. It's basically mass customization at scale. The dental industry is continuously moving towards more precision by shifting to digital scans from the traditional impressions. And the next step in this is to manufacture and deliver this precision to the patient.
The paradigm of dentistry is completely shifting. Whether we are looking at aligners, whether we are looking at crowns, whether we are looking at restorations, everything in dentistry has become digital over the last decade. And that is what changes the final clinical predictability and leading to an outcome which is going to be essential for us as clinicians to give the best to the patient.
When we were setting up this manufacturing, the business was already there. It was already scaling. It was necessary to set up an in-house manufacturing unit to make it more sustainable. So 3 things were extremely important. We wanted a partner who was reliable and can help us scale. At the same time, we did not want any complex engineering systems. We wanted nimble machinery, which could get us going from day one.
As one of the largest dental chains in Asia, and certainly the largest dental chain in India, we were launching our private label aligners, and we're looking for a manufacturing partner who would help us with 3D printing. And we looked across the globe. In fact, I traveled to many different countries, met with different suppliers, large format, small format. We went with Formlab because what we found intriguing was that went with their small format printers. The reason for that was that with the advances that are happening at the rapid pace on 3D printing, with the materials as well as the technology of printing, we felt that having a larger number of small format 3D printers would give us the flexibility, both from a perspective of changing what we need to print, how we want to print, experiment what we're doing, at the same time not deploying large capital, which is a drawback in some of the large ones.
We evaluated several multi-million-dollar 3D printing giants, but Formlabs gave us the freedom to invest as we scale. Formlabs delivered on faster cycle times, lower operating costs, and helped us building digital workflows. All this while maintaining the hygiene of accuracy.
Today, we're using dental design softwares, not just for analyzing the face, but also replicating the tooth anatomy into a certain of high level printing, which is the one which basically finally gives us the predictability coming in relation to patients.
Once we receive the file from our doctors, we convert those files and check those files according to our protocols and standards. The new Formlabs API not only reduce the error and fix it, along with that, it also do the different work. Like instead of printing solid model, we can now print a model with hollow or with a grid. It's not only provide us the sturdy models, but also reduce the resin consumption. Upgrading to the Form 4e Plus has been a huge jump for our production team. We are able to cut the production time from 1 hour to just 15 minutes. We are also able to produce twice as much as before through this new latest advanced technology. The Form 4e Plus has helped us to reduce our labor hours and cost per part. Now we are able to double our production without occupying extra space and without extra investment. After 3D printing, next step is washing and curing of models. With multiple levels of quality check and using thermal forming machines, laser marking, cutting, trimming and polishing of aligners, and after final quality check, aligners are ready to be shipped out.
While we're looking to expand multifold on our aligner manufacturing, we're constantly evaluating other applications and material for Formlabs without having to rebuild our whole ecosystem.